United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People gi makhada Lamdam asigi yelhou phurup financial cooperation Pibaga Loinana technical oiba mateng pibiyu haina human right amadi environmental activist Jodha Heikrujam na UN Human Rights Council da Taksinkhre Hauze Switzerland gi Geneva da chothariba UN Human Rights Council gi yankai manga suba session da Jodha Heikrujam na hauzik lamdam asida thokliba irang asina yelhou phurup singda piriba chaitheng marik chumna thambaga loinana Lamdam asida athuba matamda tangdu laitaba hanjulangnaba thorang lokhatpiu haina UN Human Rights Council gi puning sinsinki hauzik lamdam asida thokliba irang asina maram oiraga laikhidraba singi mafamda ikai khumnaba utpoina second manga tomina leiminanaba Jodha Heikrujam na council gi puning chingsinbaga loinana mahakna makha tana hai mamang chehigi me ahumdagi haurakiba irang asida Landa sizinagadaba khulai sing sizinaduna attack chatharakpadagi miyoi chani gi mathakta sikre yum lising mariga chatret gi mathakta amang ata thokankhre miyoi lising yankhai mathoi gi mathakta relief camp singda changjafam lauduna leiri haina session aduda thamki Myanmar amadi Bangladesh tagi haizilakpa chenku ki narco terrorist singna miyoi bagi chanakanglon gi wangmada maning tamna drug ki business amadi popi thanaba tongan balaibak ama semna bagi wakhalon na mang thaduna changsilakpa thawong asina lamdam asigi Yelhoumee kaya tamchina hatkre Manipur da thokliba irang asigi matangda India laingana tumina leiri hauzik lamdam asida oiriba phibam asida lamdam asigi Yelhoumee sing awaba phibam amada leiri Yelhoumee sing asi lamdam asida apunba pak chawbagi chada nipandagi hena chatpa ngamdri lemhoriba mafam sing lokaina changlakpa militant singna koishinduna leiri Manipurda oiriba phibam asi tangdu laitaba purangnaba council na mityeng changbiyu loinana lamdam asigi Yelhoumee sing ngak sianaba United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People gi makhada lamdam asigi yelhou phurup financial cooperation Pibaga Loinana technical oiba mateng pibiyu loinana Yelhoumee singda sokpa isu singi matangda Khanabada Yelhoumee singsu saru yahanaba thorang lokhatpiu haina human right amadi environmental activist Jodha Heikrujam na United Nations Human Rights Council da Taksinkhre.
Mr. President, I stand before you as a mighty indigenous people of Manipur, India, deeply saddened by the ongoing turmoil in our state since May 3, 2023. More than 200 people were killed using the sophisticated war weapons. May I kindly request everyone a moment of silence for 5 seconds for the departed soul in their honor. Thank you. Over 4,700 houses were destroyed and over 51,000 people are displaced in relief camps. Many innocent students were raped, molested and murdered, their bodies colorlessly buried. The barbaric actions perpetrated by the Chinkoki narco-terrorists of Myanmar and Bangladesh, aiming to establish separate nations for free drug business and poppy plantations, have resulted in the savage slaughter of our indigenous populations, beheading with knives, dismemberment through chopping akin to the predative behavior of one element. Our Indian state's efforts to quell the turmoil have faltered, leaving a void of silence, especially as our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has remained conspicuously mute, not altering a single word more than 10 months on the plight of citizens and neglected to address the ongoing violence in Manipur. Mr. President, since our Indian states collapsed to maintain law and order, even our central paramilitary forces prove ineffective in safeguarding civilians, but they compromise through enticements. Now we are exhausted and left to defend our indigenous territory. Our youth forced to choose gun instead of pen because we don't have choice when the Indian states fail to protect its citizens from the armed militant illegal immigrants. It seems like every day we are in dire-like situation. Despite being indigenous people, we can move only 8% of the land and the rest of it were surrounded by the militant group. Mr. President, we implore your interventions to restore peace, security, human rights in Manipur. Lastly, we seek your interventions for financial cooperation and technical assistance support under Article 41 of the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People. I thank you.